Number 5. Sony A7C. The Sony A7C is a compact full-frame mirrorless camera that offers professional-grade imaging capabilities in a smaller and lightweight form factor. It features a 24.2-megapixel XMR CMOS sensor and the powerful EOS image processor, delivering exceptional image quality with impressive dynamic range and low light performance. The A7C incorporates a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, enabling steady shots and smooth video recording. It supports high-resolution 4K video recording with full pixel readout and offers various picture profiles and creative options. The camera boasts a 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder, a fully articulating LCD touchscreen, and a robust autofocus system with real-time IAF and subject tracking. Additionally, it offers a range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, for seamless image transfer and remote control. Number 4. Canon EOS R6 Digital Camera. The Canon EOS R6 is a highly capable full-frame mirrorless camera that combines high-performance features with advanced technology. It features a 20.1-megapixel CMOS sensor and the powerful EOS image processor, enabling stunning image quality with exceptional low-light performance and dynamic range. The camera offers impressive continuous shooting capabilities, capturing up to 12 frames per second with autofocus tracking. It supports 4K video recording up to 60 frames per second, providing high-quality footage with advanced autofocus and image stabilization. The EOS R6 boasts a fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF system with up to 6,072 selectable AF points, including IAF and animal detection. It also features a built-in 5-axis image stabilization system for shake-free shots. With its weather-sealed construction, intuitive controls, and extensive connectivity options, the Canon EOS R6 is a versatile camera suitable for a wide range of photography and videography needs. Number 3. Nikon Z5. The Nikon Z5 is a feature-packed full-frame mirrorless camera that offers a balance of performance and affordability. It features a 24.3-megapixel CMOS sensor and the EXP-ED6 image processor, delivering excellent image quality with rich detail and dynamic range. The Z5 offers a wide ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 50 to 102,400 for impressive low-light performance. It incorporates a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, providing up to 5 stops of shake reduction for sharp and steady shots. The camera supports 4K UHD video recording at 30 frames per second and offers advanced autofocus with eye detection AF and animal detection AF. The Z5 features a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, a tilting touchscreen, and a durable weather-sealed body. It also boasts dual UHSI SD card slots and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy image transfer and remote control. With its combination of image quality, performance, and affordability, the Nikon Z5 is a versatile option for both enthusiasts and entry-level full-frame users. Number 2. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is a compact and lightweight mirrorless camera specifically designed for vlogging and content creation. It features a 24.2-megapixel APS-C XMR CMOS sensor and the EOS image processor, delivering excellent image quality with impressive detail and low noise. The ZV-E1 offers 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second and full HD recording at up to 120 frames per second, providing versatile video options. It incorporates advanced autofocus with real-time IAF and real-time tracking for precise subject recognition and tracking. The camera includes a vari-angle LCD touchscreen that flips out and rotates, making it easy to monitor shots and capture selfies. The ZV-E1 also features a directional 3-capsule microphone for clear audio recording and supports external microphones and accessories. With its dedicated video-centric features and compact design, the Sony ZV-E1 is an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators looking for a versatile and user-friendly camera. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 RII. The Sony Alpha 7R II is a high-resolution, full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professional photographers and enthusiasts. It features a 42.4-megapixel back-illuminated XMR RCMOS sensor and the EOS image processor, delivering exceptional image quality with incredible detail and dynamic range. The camera offers an impressive ISO range of 100 to 32,000, expandable to 50 to 100 and 2,400, ensuring excellent low-light performance. It incorporates a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system for up to 5.5 stops of shake reduction, allowing for sharp handheld shots. The Alpha 7R IV supports 4K UHD video recording with full pixel readout and advanced autofocus capabilities. It features a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, a tilting touchscreen, and a robust autofocus system with 399 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points. With its rugged build quality, dual card slots, and extensive customization options,